Yes, a pop-up drink stand should absolutely offer drink flights, because flights let customers sample several flavors in smaller portions, which boosts sales, encourages discovery, and keeps lines moving faster than people debating one single choice. Think of a drink flight like a mini adventure for your taste buds. Instead of committing to one big drink, you get 3 or 4 tiny cups so you can try different flavors without feeling stuck. This works so well because of something called the paradox of choice, which means when people have too many options, they freeze up and take longer to decide. A flight solves that problem instantly since customers feel like they get to try everything without any pressure. Something most stand owners do not realize is that flights also increase your average order value because people almost always spend more trying 4 small drinks than they would buying just one regular-sized drink. It also creates a fun, shareable moment since people love posting flight photos online, which becomes free marketing for your stand. One common mistake is making the flight portions too large, which raises your costs and slows down service, so keep each pour small, around 2 to 3 ounces, so it stays profitable and quick. Another mistake is not labeling each flavor clearly, which confuses customers and slows the line down, so use simple numbered tags or small chalkboard signs for each cup. Lastly, many stands forget to rotate seasonal flavors into their flights, so keep at least one rotating spot open to keep regular customers curious and coming back. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.